Hello children, good morning. Welcome to today's session. Children, today we are going to learn 3/4 of the whole. Okay, this is a 3. How can we learn 3/4? 3/4 means what? Yes. Here how many parts we have colored? 3 parts. Total how many parts? 4. How many parts we colored? 3. Remaining how many parts? 1/4 part is remaining. This is called the 3/4. From the whole, we took 3 parts. 3/4. This is a 3 parts we took from the 4 parts. From 4 parts, we took 3 parts. So 3/4 like that. Okay. See, look here. Here, this half part. This is half. This is half. This is half. From this, we had to these 3 parts. Means 3/4 is colored. Okay, 3/4. So we see that 1/4 make 3/4 are 3/4. Okay. 3/4 means 3 parts out of 4 equal parts. Yes, 3 parts out of 4 equal parts. Total parts are 4. From this we have colored 3 parts. Means 3/4. 3/4 means what? 3 parts colored out of 4 parts. Okay. Yes, here we will be having how many chocolates total? Find the 3/4 of 12 toffees. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. If we divided these chocolates into 3/4 means 3 parts were 1 and remaining identify. Remaining how many parts left? Okay. How many 3/4? How many parts we have gave to one child? If we gave these toffees to a child means 3/4 if we gave. Okay, how can we identify total toffees? 12 means 3/4 means 3/4 into 12. How can you do now? This you can do 3 into 12. You can write like this 4. Okay, 4 how many times we like this also you can do. 4 3s are 12, 3 3s are 9. This is one way. Or else 3 12 4 you wrote na. 12 3s are 36. 36/4 means 36 is divided by 4. So you can do this in division. 36. 4 9s are 36. Yes, 9. Like this also you can do. Okay, 3 parts. How many toffees we gave? 9 toffees we gave. Remaining how many toffees? If we gave 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Remaining 3 toffees. 10, 11, 12. Yes. Remaining. These 9 toffees are 3/4 part of the 12 toffees. Okay. Like this you can do, Nana. Coming to here. What you have to do? Color 3/4 of each shape. You have to color the 3/4 of each. Means this is 1/4. This also you can do coloring. Remaining this also. This is a 3/4 part of the circle. Yes. Yes. Now. Yes, here. Circle 3/4 of each collection and write the answer. Here how many birds are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out of these we have to find 3/4 of 8. Here 3/4 of 8. 3/4 into 8 means 4 2s are 8. 3 2s are 6. 3/4 means how many birds? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 6 birds. Remaining 2 birds come to this 1/4 part. Okay. Yes, children. Now if we do this 8 into, now I'll do 3/4. How many birds came for you? 6 birds. If we do 1/2, 1/2 into 8 means how many comes? 1/2, 1/4 into 8. Sorry, 1/4 into 8. 4 2s are 8. 2 4 2s means year 2 year 2 year 2 year 2 will come. Now you will add these 3 parts. How many come? 2 to 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 is the answer. Na? 3 by 4th. How many will get? 3 by 4th. If we do like this also. 2 plus 2 plus 2. 6. Remaining 2 here. 2 birds are here. Okay. Now here how many kites are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In this line we will be having. This line will be having. Total how many? 20. We need to find out the 3 by 4th part of the 20 kites. 3 by 4 of 20 means 3 by 4 into 20. 4 5s are 20. 3 5s are 15. Yes, 3 5s are 15. Now you understood, children? 3. Yes. 3 by 4th. How many kites will come into 3 by 4th? 15 kites. Okay. Now move on to here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 apples are there. We need to find the 3 by 4th of 12. Okay. 3 by 4th into 12. 3 3s are 9. Okay. Same, if you want to check whether it is correct or not, you have to do 1 by 4th part. Here 20 are there, na? 1 by 4 into 20 means 4 5s are 20. If you write 5 5, 1 by 4 means 5 5. 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 5, 15. 3 by 4th means 15. Yes, like same like way also you can check this also. Now turn the page. Here one activity is there for you, Nana. You can do this activity. When I am explaining in the first class, I took one circular paper, na? Like that also you can do, or else you can. Pizza is available with you. You can do. Students are divided the groups. Whether you come to the school, na, we will do the same activity in school. But now you are not coming to school, na, so you can do it by yourself at home only. Okay. Okay, what you have to do, required to apply the concept of fractions in real life. Cut off a pizza or a pair of scissors. Pizza means you can take the circular paper like this, circle. Okay, you can take the circle like this. Okay, here students are divided, but you are not coming to school, but you can do by individually. Each they cut into 4 equal parts. Okay, each student under adult supervision. Whenever your mother is beside with you, then only you do the activity. Don't use the scissors individually. Okay, each students take a piece one by one and then record their observations. Okay, they write fraction to show how much pizza was eaten and how much was left. Okay, now we are taking the whole. Here, first one is what? Whole. Eaten? Nothing, 0. Left out, 1. Okay, now move on to here. This is a 3 by 4th part. How you should know? Here, 1 part of pizza is eaten. Yes? Yes, Nana? This is 1 part, this is 1 part, this is 1. From 4 parts. First you have to write the whole. How many parts? How many parts are eaten? 1 by 4th. This is 3 by 4th is left out. How many parts eaten? 1 part eaten. Means 1 by 4th part. Which one? This one. Here which, like this one is eaten. How much? 8 eaten. 1/4. How much left out? 4 parts. 3 parts left. Means 3 by 4th part is left or not? Yes, this is a 3 by 4th part. Okay, from this whole, first piece is eaten. Means 1/4 is eaten. Means how much is left? 3 by 4th. Now move on to this. From the whole, half part is eaten. This is a whole. If we cut into half, half part is eaten. Means from the whole, half part. Okay, half part is eaten. 1 by 2. Here left out is 1 by 2. We cut into how many pieces total? 2 pieces. Yes, exactly, we divided into 2. Here we cut into 4 pieces. That's why I wrote 4 here. Here we cut into 2 pieces only. That's why 2. Here I wrote 2. How many parts eaten? 1 part. How many left out? 1 part. Means 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Here 1 by 2 part is left out. How many parts eaten? Total how many parts? 4 parts. 3/4 is eaten. 3/4 is, this part is completely finished. This part is completely left out from here. How many left out? 1/4 part. Like this you can do the activity at your home also, Nana. Okay, shall we recall all fractions one more time? 1 out of 2 equal parts. Okay, 1/2. This is called 1/2. This one is 1/2. 1 out of 4 equal parts means 1 out of 2 equal parts is 1/2. 1 out of 4 equal parts is 1/4. Yes, see, this is 1 out of 2 equal parts. We are dividing into 2 equal. This is called 1/2. 1 out of 4 equal parts means 1/4. Finding half of a collection, 3/4, 1/4 of a collection. 3 out of 4 parts, 4 equal parts, 3/4 is, okay. Observe the images given below and write the correct answer. This is 1/2. See, divided into 2 parts. 1 part is colored, means 1/2. We divided the square into 4 equal parts now. 1 part is colored, means 1/4. And this is a square. We divided into 4 equal parts. We colored 3. Total how many parts? 4. How many parts colored? 3. Means 3/4. Okay, children? Hope you understood, Nana. Try to understand and do more exercises by yourself. Here you will be having a worksheet for your all multiplications, divisions, time and this fractions, Nana. Do this worksheet, Nana. Okay, today itself only. Okay, try to tomorrow. I'll send the answers for this worksheet. Okay, children, take care. Bye.